Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best dishwashers.
Starting at number 5.
LG LDP 6810SS. LG has added a feature called True Steam to this quad dishwasher with 4 cleaning arms and claims it will give you 60% better drying to eliminate pools of water on your mug bottoms and give you crystal clear glassware. Using steam, you also get sanitized dishes for peace of mind when someone in the house has been sick with a cold or flu. This machine has 3 racks. When you place your flatware and utensils on the top rack, you have more room on the bottom for dishes and bowls. If you like controlling your appliances with Alexa or the Google Assistant, you'll be happy to know this dishwasher is compatible with them. You can also monitor and control it with an app on your mobile phone. Last but not least, this LG isn't loud enough to disturb kitchen conversation and doesn't use enough power to jack up your energy bill.
Coming at number 4.
BLACK+DECKER BCD6W. If you're really tight for space in your kitchen, then a countertop dishwasher could be the way to go, and they don't come much better than the BLACK+DECKER BCD6W. Unlike other plastic countertop models, this one actually looks like superior quality with an LED display and metal drop-down door handle. It's a compact size at 21.7 x 21.5 by 17.2 inches, so it won't take up much space. But it still comes with 7 wash cycles to choose from, including normal, intensive, eco, glass, 90 minutes, rapid and soak. Being a countertop dishwasher, it naturally can't hold loads. 6 place settings is all it can manage. However, it comes with useful features, such as a child lock and a quick connect design. There's no permanent plumbing necessary, you can hook it straight up to the sink. It's ENERGY STAR certified as well if you're looking to save on your energy bills. If you want a countertop dishwasher, this is the one to get.
At number 3.
Samsung DW80 R9950 US. The Samsung DW80 R9950 US is the dishwasher to go for if quiet running is important to you. Rated at just 39 dB, it's by far the quietest on our list and would be best for running through the night. It appears both minimalist and sleek in its design and comes with 3 racks and 15 place settings, which is enough for a family-sized load. It's also the most energy-efficient full-size dishwasher on the list at just 239 kWh, so will save you money in the long run too. We also love that it comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can remotely monitor and control this dishwasher from your smartphone. The auto-release door is another useful feature, as you know the load will dry more quickly once the cycle has finished. Our only qualm is that the prongs on the racks are quite widely spaced apart and you could probably get more place settings in there if it were tighter.
Number 2 of my list.
Frigidaire Gallery FGID 2476 SF. With an upscale design in fingerprint-resistant stainless steel and lots of extras, the Frigidaire Gallery FGID 2476 SF is a real bargain. Of course, it cleans and dries well, or we wouldn't recommend it. But you also get a stainless steel tub, cushioned stemware holders, and a convenient favorite setting that will automatically select the cycle and options that you use all the time. It pretty much does everything you really need except unload itself. It has a sanitizing rinse that's certified by the NSF, which gives the assurance that it really does kill any bugs that may have survived the wash cycle. When the Frigidaire is running, it's quiet and shines a blue beam on your floor. When the dishes are done, the light changes to green. All this and it's an ENERGY STAR pick. Be wary though that some online reviews found the quality of the lower basket to be lacking.
And number 1.
Bosch 300 Series. The Bosch 300 Series SHSM63W55N is our pick for the best dishwasher overall. Without setting you back a bundle, it gives you top-notch cleaning performance, a durable and spacious stainless steel tub, and a 3rd rack for cutlery. Among its cycles there's one that washes and dries in just 1 hour and another that sanitizes. The Bosch 300 is so quiet that it projects a beam of light on the floor to let you know it's running. As the controls are out of sight on the top of the door, this model has a sleek upscale look. The only negative we can point out is that because the tines that separate plates are close together, you may have trouble fitting in chunky plates or bowls. Otherwise, the dishwasher's adjustable racks are great for accommodating a wide range of large and small dishes.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.